Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay with Venmo on Amazon without a card in 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of linking your Venmo account to Amazon and making purchases without the need for a credit or debit card. First, you need to have a Venmo account and an Amazon account. If you don't have one, create them by following the sign-up process on the Venmo and Amazon websites. Once you have both accounts, go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. Next, click on the Account and Lists tab at the top right corner of the page. Then select Payment Options from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Wallets section and click on the Link a Wallet button. Select Venmo from the list of available wallets and you will be redirected to the Venmo website. On the Venmo website, sign in to your account and authorize Amazon to access your Venmo account. You will be asked to enter your Venmo login credentials and confirm that you want to link your Venmo account to Amazon. Once you have authorized Amazon to access your Venmo account, you will be redirected back to the Amazon website. Now, when you make a purchase on Amazon, you can select Venmo as your payment method at checkout. Your purchase will be deducted from your Venmo balance. And if you don't have sufficient funds in your Venmo account, you can add funds to your account using your bank account or other payment methods. To add funds to your Venmo account, go to the Venmo website and sign in to your account. Click on the Add Funds button and select the payment method you want to use to add funds to your account. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction and the funds will be added to your Venmo account. It is essential to note that when you link your Venmo account to Amazon, you are giving Amazon permission to access your Venmo account and make payments on your behalf. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the service before you link your accounts. In conclusion, paying with Venmo on Amazon without a card is a convenient and easy process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can link your Venmo account to Amazon and make purchases without the need for a credit or debit card. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the service and understand how it works before you start using it.